I'm about to feed the kookaburras today, and you'll notice that we are feeding them whole baby chickens. Now, kookaburras must eat whole food, which means that they need the bones, they need the feathers, they need the gizzards. They don't just eat a chunk of meat. That is not a sufficient diet for them. So we feed ours a variety of whole meats, being rats, weaner rats, chickens, mice, worms, to try and supplement their diet. In the wild, they would live predominantly on lizards, little snakes, rats, mice. But yes, they must have that whole type animal. They can't just eat bits and pieces of them.